This commercial building in Tampa was facing major roofing issues, leaks, cracks, and an old and faded flat roof system. Our crew began by removing the existing roof materials and preparing a clean, level surface. We installed new insulation to improve energy efficiency and provide a solid foundation for the new TPO system. Next, we rolled out the TPO membrane, a highly reflective, weather-resistant material designed to handle Florida's toughest conditions. Each seam is heat-welded, forming a watertight seal that stands up to wind and rain. Every detail matters, from custom metal edging to precision flashings and drain installation. At APC Roofing, our craftsmanship ensures lasting protection and a professional finish. Before completion, our team performs a full inspection, checking every seam in detail to guarantee quality that meets APC's high standards. The result, a durable, energy-efficient TPO roof that looks as good as it performs. Another project completed with pride by APC Roofing. From inspection to installation, APC Roofing delivers quality you can see from every angle. To learn more or schedule your free roof inspection, visit us online at apcroofing.com, where quality and service come together.